Good afternoon, everyone. It is with a pleasure that I can say that we are meeting up again as the Ford Fiesta and Figo Club in Gauteng. As you can see, the weather is really not playing along. We were going to do like a sunset park off and chill, and as usual I'm a bit late, so I'm just getting a last minute wash and go quickly on the Ford. She's there. I'm not going to show it too much, but I'm excited to see some of the guys. We're only about 8 or 9 guys that are going to pull through today, but it's still exciting to show you guys some of the interesting mods and FordFigos that are modified in Gauteng.
Engine humming, deep smoke swirling through the air. Nightfall creeping in, caution everywhere. Gold grill shining when I stare down the roads. Leather seats sinking as my confidence grows. Midnight eyes never sleeping on the move. Underground flows got nothing left to prove. Rubber burns lines but my mind stayed cool. Just another night running corners with the crew. Up slow, I'm round with the smoke. Shadows in my rear view, vision never broke. 24 on the dash, never running from the low. Cruising through the night city, moving like a ghost. Yeah, stirred off in that lane. Yeah, can't mess with my brain. Yeah, stirred off in that lane. Yeah, can't mess with my brain. Cold hard ice grill, let it move, it's still heavy in the trunk.
Guys, that's going to end it off for tonight. So not a major group that pulled through. I think the rain maybe scared a few people away, but thank you to all those that came out. Thank you for watching. We're going to definitely arrange for a bigger meet and more frequently next year. So if you do have a FordFigo or Fiesta, or anyone that is interested in cars and you have a modified car or interested in cars, I'll send out and make posts on my social medias next year. But thank you guys for joining. I'll see you guys shortly for another video. Peace out. Bye.
Memphis, man.